how to increase your credit limit with Navy Federal. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to use your card responsibly. You want to make on-time payments and keep balances low. NFCU wants to see that you can handle credit wisely. Next, you want to wait 3 to 6 months. They typically like to see some credit history with them before granting increases. And then you can apply online or in the app. You will log into the Navy Federal account, into your Navy Federal account, go to the credit card and look for request credit limit increase. It is as simple as tapping a few buttons. Or what you can do is call them directly. You can call NFCU. You just want to Google search for their phone number to request a limit increase and speak with a rep for personalized help. Know your income, be ready to report your income. Higher income may support a higher credit limit. Soft pull versus hard pull. If you ask if your request will trigger a soft pull, no credit impact, or a hard pull may affect your score. And there are also automatic increases. If you are a responsible user, NFCU sometimes increases your limit automatically. You just want to keep doing a good job. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.